In this makeup tutorial, we are going to go and do zipper face makeup. Now this makeup is extremely easy and it's great for costume or cosplay. So run to the craft store and grab a zipper. Or maybe you have one just sitting around with all of your extra sewing materials. What you're going to need is you're going to need a simple zipper. Now this one is plastic because I do have a bit of a metal allergy, and if you have sensitive skin, you probably want to go with plastic as well too. Now take the sides and go and cut off some of the extra fabric that is here. Just make sure while you're cutting this, go and avoid the zipper portion of it. I did have a little bit of an issue actually getting this to catch because this is pretty thick with the material, so definitely use some maybe sewing scissors or ones that you would find in your kitchen. Go and get both sides, and if you need to go and take off any of the extra little bit of material, take it off. Now take some liquid latex, have the zipper all the way up to where you would like this to stop. Don't have it all the way up to where the ending of it is, but have it down just a slight amount. Take liquid latex, put it onto one side, follow it all the way down. Let it dry for just a couple of seconds, stretch it out, and apply it to your face. Press down as you go to go and shape it. Make sure to really shape it where the eyes are, but make sure to keep this away fully from your eyes, and after it is dried, go and follow the inner portion with some red cosmetic. I am using a water-activated palette. You could also use maybe some red lipstick or anything that you have that is like that. Usually with grease cosmetic though, I notice that it gets really shiny and it just doesn't look the best. Now take some fake blood and fill in the center. For the fake blood that I used Karo syrup along with also red food dye and a bit of instant coffee. Now after the center has been filled in and you have let this dry, you can also make this look really gross by continuing to go and put more down your chin. Let every single layer of the fake blood dry, and after you are done, your makeup can look like this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This makeup is really easy to do, and it is sure to turn some heads this spooky season.